Hi, this is Gina at Art of Skincare, and I want to share some tips for you on how to get the most out of your Caviplla serum. This is a fabulous serum, and it has an O2, which is oxygen carrier in it, so sometimes it will foam up a little bit as you're putting it on your face. Some people think that when it starts to foam up, you don't touch it and you just leave it there. I want you to know that's the exact opposite of what you should do. Once it starts to foam up, keep massaging it in. In fact, if you have a My Skin Buddy or you have our DermaRed, you want to use that while it's foaming up to work it deeper into the skin. You really want to get that Caviplla into your skin. That polylactic acid is amazing for plumping. So I'm going to show you how I do it today. I'm going to go ahead, during the day I use 2 pumps. At night I use 4 pumps. So this is daytime. I'm just going to use 2 pumps. I'm going to do one side of my face mainly, although with 2 pumps I have enough to do everywhere. Rubbing it on. Now I've been doing some treatments today, and I have a lot of like the Neogenesis Glide in my skin, and you can see I'm foaming up a little bit, but not a whole lot. That's okay. It doesn't always foam up. I'm going to go ahead and my Skin Buddy, I'm going to do it on this green setting because green is for hyperpigmentation. This is the time of year when I start to really struggle with dark spots and pigmentation from the heat. I don't even have to be out in the sun. I just get in the heat and instantly I am getting little dark spots and uneven pigmentation. So I'm just always pulling out my green LED at this time of year. So all I'm doing is taking that Caviplla now. It started to foam a little bit, and I'm just working it into my skin using my Skin Buddy. You can do the same thing with the DermaRed. You can work it into the skin with that. This just gives you that extra boost that you want to get when you're using an expensive serum. When you're using expensive serum, you want to get the very most that you can get out of it. And so that's why you want to grab one of your infusion devices and use it. Now I'm just going to use it until it doesn't drag anymore. There's nothing more I can do. It's getting kind of sticky. It's done. I'm going to turn off my device. I'm going to go ahead and put on my Promoter Repair Cell Cream on top of this. It just takes a tiny dab, put that on, and you're good to go for the day. So that's my tip for you on how to get more out of your Caviplla experience. Have a great day.